Hello mga kaalamat, good day to all of you. Today I would like to present to you our tiger prawn tempura and fried rice. So I will going to show you the top view. So this is it mga kaalamat. Our tiger prawn tempura. So this is our tiger prawn tempura. So that's it mga kalamat, our plating of the day. Our tiger prawn tempura. So that's all for today mga kalamat. Please subscribe, like and share. Please don't forget to click the bell button to subscribe so that you will be notified kung meron tayong mga bagong videos. So please tune in. Sana'y tatangkilikin nyo itong aking channel. Maraming salamat. God bless and see you next time.